Good morning, guys. The Abundant Alchemist here, sharing with you the information that will change your life. It is Saturday, the 26th of December, 2020, and I want to go over some information really quickly. Got some notes here that I want to share with you. Okay, beginning with some alternative coins, some altcoins that can make you money. Right now, the big show is Bitcoin. I'm going to be digging into whether or not we should long Bitcoin. It's currently at 24,890 as of 8 a.m. this Saturday. Also, XRP, it's currently up at about 30, bouncing back from lows of 20s in the 20s. My intelligence chart is telling me that I should hold 36.67 in my portfolio in order to trade on the daily. Now, this is not suggestion to hold long term. This isn't even financial advice. This is just my opinion and sharing with you information that I'm coming across. Besides that, the graph, it's currently down and it will rise again, so it seems. So let's dig into this. The graph. It is built on great technology. It is in its early stage. It's been dipping for about a month. Maybe you should stake about 1% due to the fact that there's a long-term lockup. Okay, so if you're an investor, okay, maybe take a look at this one. It seems to be having promise for upside, but your money will be locked up into it for some time. And really, the name of the game is to stay liquid, okay? Because that way you could really take advantage of opportunities as they come, as there's dips, as there's breakouts to the upside. So if you want to look deeper into the graph, there's many videos out there that can inform you on what the graph is. I would say limit my entire holding of that coin to about 1%, and remember, it's long term. Now, Cardano, ADA, personally, until I learn new information, I'm accumulating until it is offered on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, okay, because that's really going to give it a huge boost in volume going into that coin. XRP. One thing I'm learning that I may be wrong about with XRP is that it's not dead. Okay, I did sell at about 48 when I got news and whiff of this bad news happening, because that was just a smart thing to do. Understanding that the market would dump after hearing such a shocking news with the SEC going after them. But the fact of the matter is, okay, as an investor, as a trader in this market, you have to be open to learn and pivot on new information that you gather, and be open to the possibility that you may be incorrect with where you stand on a particular view. The fact is 90% of XRP is not held in the United States, so whatever happens here in the United States may affect but not cripple XRP. Bitstamp, as of this moment, is halting trading January 8th. They're projected to halt trading, but really XRP does not need the US. It doesn't. It doesn't. Again, I did the smart thing. I got out, saved myself some money, because there was such a huge correction that normally would not happen to XRP, I believe. It was really heading upwards, especially with this bull run going on right now. And this just allowed a lot of people to get in now at this level where it's pretty much on sale. The SEC new chairman seems to be pro-crypto, so that is some possible relief for the coin. It will probably be fine, okay? and move on from there. But at this moment, I think there's a chance to make a little money short term. Again, my source of AI is telling me, and that's Token Metrics. The link will be below if you want to join and use my secret weapon. It is not mine, but it's just a tool that I use, and you'll see what I mean when you look at daily trades on Binance. So now, Mike Novogratz, you may know who he is. He is saying Bitcoin is now an institutional product. It's a hedge against inflation, and these large institutions, these large corporations are understanding that and seeing that that is the truth of the matter, and they need to protect themselves. We are early. You have to understand we are early. However, I would urge to get in as soon as possible rather than later, because there's no promise that these levels will maintain. I would say the sensible thing to do for a normal everyday person that is trying to outlive this huge obstacle that we will all be facing, especially in the United States, but really it's worldwide, is $2 cost average into particularly Bitcoin, but crypto, and if you have the bandwidth, other assets that will be in the upswing in 2021. Kevin O'Leary, I love him. He's a bit blunt. Some would call him an asshole. Some would call me an asshole. He gets to the point. He doesn't waste time. But as much as I like him and I respect him, and he knows a whole lot more than I could ever know at this moment about business, he's wrong about Bitcoin being the only crypto that works. That's just not right. That's not true. And you see a lot of, I don't know if it's intentional misinformation that's being, spread in the form of opinions by the likes of well-known celebrities and business people. You have to watch what they're doing and not what they are saying. And I think they have a vested interest in having us look the other way, because this allows them to accumulate at low pricing. Right? Because if everybody would rush in and understand what a great investment opportunity this would be, this would mean less crypto assets to be accumulated by them at a lower price. So just some perspective there. We are early. Understand Ethereum, which is like the number 2, 3, top 5 cryptocurrency being traded worldwide, is worth less than Snapchat at this moment. So just some perspective there. We are early. Understand that we have some time to go on this bull run. BitBoy Crypto, a YouTube channel I highly respect and regard, says that September 28th, 2021 is his date where he says the height of the bull market will reach the tip top, due to the fact that his analysis of cycles stating that it will be the date where it's 504 days from the last halving of Bitcoin. If you understand, Bitcoin is a decreasing quantity asset. There will never be more than 21 million. And every 4 years, there is a halving. There's half less that will be distributed among the earth, for people to buy. Whatever happens in January coming up is pretty much going to be affecting the rest of the year, says Token Metrics. Bill, I really, really like that guy. He Seems like he's an OG who knows what the hell he's talking about. He has been quoting a saying in the asset trading market that you should sell in May and go away. So we'll see. Will there be large corrections in May, as there is in traditional markets? Who knows? But this is your dose of information that will change your life. I am the Abundant Alchemist, and I hope you have a great day. Merry Christmas. If we do not speak again, even though I'm the only one speaking, it's a one-way conversation. Have yourself a happy new year. Talk to you soon.